أضحك شي أنا ببلش الانترو بالعربي بعدين بحكي كل شي إنجليزي. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. إذا أنتم هون جديد أهلا وسهلا فيكم. أنا سارة لي, beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video اللي رح نكون عم نعمله هو how to, like, if you have a full face of makeup or you want to change something. Let's say you were at work and you know you keep it quite natural and you're going out tonight, instead of taking off everything and putting it back in, especially if everything still looks okay and still looks good, like what can you do to like not ruin everything in the process. So I just finished my makeup. I got a call that place that I'm going to, it's gonna be a little bit later than I thought. I thought I was leaving now. I'm not. So I was like, let's give it a twist a little bit. Let's not make it so natural. This is the 772 from Juicy Beauty. I'm gonna take, I want to create kind of a Bordeaux eyeliner vibe. I'm really feeling it with this like white. I'm wearing a white shirt and a black pants. So I'm kind of really feeling the whole Bordeaux thing, especially that we're in autumn. I'm gonna take this color right here. That kind of looks like it would look good as a Bordeaux color as an eyeliner. I want to try to take as much excess out of possible. I'm gonna take my mirror and I'm going to, now don't forget, with when you already have your mascara on, it's a little bit complicated. Just press on top. It looks a little bit more like pink. We don't want to swipe, we want to press. And you want to open your eye to see how it looks like, but you want to be careful to not touch your lashes. Okay, this looks more like pink. This looks way darker in the pen than it looks on my eye. So I don't know. I'm gonna take a little bit more. Let's see if I can build the color up and just get it darker. Or if it's still gonna give me pink, like hot pink. I don't mind a thick eyeliner. If you guys want it more thin, definitely go for that. But I'm trying to see if it's gonna get darker. Nope, not gonna get darker. It's like a dark wine color. So this is from the Kylie Naughty set. This is the color Unwrap Me. I'm just gonna take it in the brush and I'm going to lay it on top. And I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. The small brush, this is the R08 from Royal Cosmetics. This is the R10. So I'm gonna take the R08 and I'm gonna take from this palette, the Ruby Rose, the Honeymoon palette. I'm gonna take this color and just press it on top just to give it a little bit more of that ombre look. Now again, I'm gonna take back the brush, dig it in the Unwrap Me shade and draw the eyeliner, trying to make it as similar as the other one. Problem with trying multiple colors is that you end up pretty much with a cocktail of colors that doesn't look like the color when you finally found it. So that's a little bit of a problem, but we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna create that little cat eye moment. And we're gonna take back the color from Ruby Rose and just do the same thing again. Make them as similar as possible, especially that in here we mix 3 colors and in here we mix 1, literally. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that shade, mix it more, and we're gonna, now with the fact that you have lashes on, you can't really see if you left a blind spot, so always close your eye and make sure that your eyeliner is fully drawn. Now, like usual, I'm gonna take a black eyeliner. Now you can see I tightlined this eye, and this eye I didn't. You can already see how much fuller my lashes look in this one and darker, and there's just like an eyeliner vibe, but there's not really any dark liner. Just this Bordeaux pink that somehow doesn't want to decide what it is. Tightlining makes a lot of the difference when it comes to makeup, but I was very scared of it when I was young. I remember the first time my mother did it, and she didn't even tightline on top. She just applied on her waterline, الكحل, and I was like, no, you inside the eye, it hurts. And she was like, that doesn't hurt. And I was not believing it. I was like, no, this definitely hurts. It does not hurt. Sometimes it kind of tickles in a weird way, but it definitely does not hurt. So when you applied already your mascara, it's going to be a little bit more complicated to tightline. Whatever technique is better, whatever you feel it's better. I personally just put the pencil and just go up. And I just look again. I could definitely grab my lashes and draw, like do this and draw, but I don't have a close mirror right now, so I can't do that exactly. So we're just gonna leave it at that. I'm just gonna brush back these lashes. If I want to put on mascara again, you can. Now, I don't know what kind of mascara you have, but one mascara for me that I can always count on that. If I want to retouch my lashes or anything, I can always count on the Maximizer Lazy Lola mascara. I just take it and brush my lashes again, and it ends up giving me kind of like I applied falsies. I love this mascara. By the way, I use another kind of mascara, but when I want to retouch mascara, I always go for the Lady Lola no matter what I use before it. Always ends up just defining the lashes more and just giving it that boost of mascara again. So if we did any mistake, I'm just gonna go with a Q-tip. So I'm gonna take the eyeliner again, and I'm gonna water line just in the outer corner, not more. Just to give it that cat eye shape. And I'm gonna take a nude كحل, and I'm gonna draw the rest of my waterline with it. My eyes are close to each other, which is why putting dark in here will get them closer. I always use a nude. I much rather a nude. Sometimes there's certain looks that you need to use like dark ads. I like them sometimes, but like the best way to choose what kind of color you want for your eye is to see if your eyes are close together. Use, especially in the set, like especially close to your nose, use bright colors, you know, or natural colors. On the outer corner you could definitely use like a dark color. It would look good, but yeah, if you have eyes that are far away from each other, use dark so that they kind of look like they're closer together. That's kind of just like an illusion if you want. So that's a little tip for today. Okay, and I use this Deli Cosmetics lip liner, waterproof, in the color Cacao. If you eat with that, it's not gonna stay, so I'm definitely not going to try to eat anything until I go out and I come back. I'm gonna put on, I know I already put on blush, but I want to re-put on blush because this color for the autumn time is so beautiful. It makes you look like, you know how when it's really cold and you just look like you're flushed in a very like shy, cold way? The flushiness is not really pink, it's more on a cool pink side. I don't really know how to describe this color. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. So now this is like peach and pink blush, and this is, by the way, this is the Annabelle cosmetic makeup, as this is like a very old blush. This is in the number 33 blush on. I really like it. It's a Canadian brand. It's very old. It's literally, I think, as old as I am, but the color of it is so nice. You look like you're flushed from within, and just the way it just really looks wintry, and I don't know, it looks like it was raining. It kind of gives me that vibe. I hope you guys can see this because the color is just stunning. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. If I wasn't going out, I would apply more, but I want to keep it as natural as possible. So yeah, that's the way that the color looks. I guess it just, I don't know, the color is so beautiful. Look at the difference. This one looks more summery, obviously, but this one looks like winter, you know? It looks like autumn, and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna apply a little bit more, and I'm gonna apply at the top, and I'm gonna move in. If you apply too much blush, like I think I just did, just take a beauty blender, spray some facial mist on it. This is the Aligac facial spray, but I've put it in this because the bottle, I wanted to take the spray and to use it for the tanning oil, and I just ended up putting it in here. I much rather a glass bottle. I really like the spray on the other one than this one, but we're not gonna change it again. We're gonna buy one soon because I can't imagine not using this facial spray. So yeah. Yeah, we're done. Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Do you want autumny winter looks? Do you want them to be natural, or do you want them to be like artistic, or like glammy, or like what do you want? Or something easy to do but glam? Like what is it that you want? Tell me in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next video.